Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either. This vehicle has less than 200 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual sunroof, premium wheels, running boards, anti-lock braking system, door edge guards, fog lights, power brakes, driver's side remote mirror, dual exhaust, power sunroof. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.